Hi, this is Team Symbion from BS Abdurrahman President Institute of Science and Technology. Um uh, I'm T Sana from CSE department. I am the CEO of this company, representing this learning and earning platform. So, our business idea is to make help students to learn and earn money as they build skills. So, in today's world, we can see a lot of college students spending more amount of money. Like they barely have any money as college students, but they're ready to invest in multiple courses, certifications, internships, all are paid for. So we thought that skill building should not be something very forceful. Rather, it should be gamified and uh, like a fun-filled experience. So we came up with a solution that allows college students to earn substantial amount of money on a weekly basis and progress it to a higher level where they have massive opportunities at the end. I would like my friend Priya to explain about the workflow of this app.
So, hi everyone, myself Shamlada Priya from BTech CSC, and I am taking care of the marketing department of the app. So, now I'll be explaining you guys about the complete workflow of the app. So, initially, as people enroll, they'll be categorized into two main roles. First one is as student, the other one as staff. The first one will explain you about the student, then I'll go with the app. So, our platform creates a dual ecosystem where users can learn as well as earn. So first, I'll explain about the students. So once the students enroll, they'll be creating their profiles and choose their domain of interest. So the domains can be changed. Like we have primarily have four main domains, and we also have some other points which is called as the customers. Customers create avatars. So avatars are unique characters that can be customized based on the people's choice. So in which when they work more on the domain, the avatar grows. So learning is broken into smaller weekly concepts for better understanding. As I said, we'll be providing weekly courses. Those courses are called as weekly micro courses. So we'll be charging a very small amount, it's like 35 or 39 rupees per week. So the main focus is that we'll be covering only one topic per week, and the benefits by these methods are no workload, better clarity, and affordable learning. So the domains which we are providing currently is that AI/ML, web development, data structure and data management, and entrepreneurship and finance. And the main focus is that interactive learning platform. Because of that, we'll be conducting live sessions, peer-to-peer learning, and also the doubt solving sessions. These sessions can be useful for people to understand even more clear, and they can have more knowledge to the topic. As I said, we'll be having the customized avatar. Every app should have a focus point where it makes the people to come and use the app again and again. That's the place where we'll be using the avatar system. So where user creates their own avatar, avatar grows based on the learning activities as well as skill programs. So what is the use of having an highly or an effective avatar is that on the end of each sessions, person who has an higher avatar will be collaborating with the real-time projects, and they'll be working on some real-time problem statements, and they'll be creating the projects. So now I was explaining you guys about the problem, I mean like the login process for the student or the person who's learning. When I'm talking about the person who's teaching, as I said previously, our project aims on developing the platform where they can learn as well as earn. So earning money can be in two main methods. One is the money as people can earn at the end of the each session. It's weekly basis. The other one is a credit points. Teacher can earn credit points. Points can be used to enroll other courses, and they can use the course for joining a new course also. It is in process of a circle where they can earn as well as learn, as well as they can use the points. This gets again and again. So as I said, these are the two main processes where people will be logging in and they'll be continuously learning. So then comes the marketing strategies. What makes us different? The first one is the 39 rupees pack where people only pay 39 per week. And also learning the entire concept one week is pretty difficult. And in a particular domain, we can't learn everything. For example, when we talk about the full stack, we can't learn a full stack within 1 week. We can just learn, for example, a concept. It can be an HTML, it can be a JavaScript. So those concepts can be learned within 1 week. So those are the main focus of the project. Their said is an earn and learn platform, and they can use the points to earn more. Based on this avatar, they can also work on the real-time projects. These are the main idea of our project. So the main idea is that this is not just a learning platform, it is a self-sustainable ecosystem where the user can learn, earn, and grow continuously. So I will ask my friend Shamira to explain about the finance department.
So good morning everyone. Myself Shamira Begum from Cse D. I'm the CFO of this company and I'll be explaining about the financial aspects of our venture. So our platform follows a very simple subscription based model where users pay a certain amount, that is rupees 39, to access learning resources and features. So our main focus is not just on charging users. Our core idea is like learn and earn model where students can develop practical skills and also earn through projects, internship, or by teaching others on this platform. So coming about the user investment, the cost to join our platform is very minimal. As I said before, that is 39 rupees. So in return, users have the opportunity to earn by applying their skills. They can earn around 2,000 to 10,000 rupees or even more depending on their performance, skills and participation in projects. This means users are not just spending money, but they are also getting a chance to earn more than what they invest, which makes our platform very unique. So, our major expenses include platform development and cloud hosting, instructor payments, marketing, and customer support. For future enhancement, we can plan to increase our user base, improve features, and build partnership with colleges and organizations. This will help us increase revenue and also to increase our profitability. So I would conclude that our financial model is very simple and also scalable. Instead of making users to spend more, we help them to learn and also to earn at the same time, creating the real value. Now, my friend Sana will explain about the customer needs.
So basically, when talking about the customer viewpoint, we make sure that the money that they're investing is very affordable for them. We are not like forcing them to pay us like a very huge amount of money to and make them false promises. Rather, it's like we allow them to like build skills in a very gamified fashion, and where they just have to pay 39 rupees. And we also promise that we will provide profit for the students as they invest. It's not like in the long term progress, like most of the certifications and courses, they provide like they have taken oath, like you'll get this particular job, you will land in this particular position, you will have this particular internship. So what we do is we give that opportunities very like in a very short time. So on a weekly basis, once they learn a topic, they'll be able to like earn money by teaching others. So that is like one of the additional points, like the advantages that we provide. And also speaking long term, all these players who have the highest scores in this for this app, they'll be like having a particular matching grading point. Those players will be selected and they will be made into a team, and we will be connecting with real world industry experts and will be linking them to solve real world problems. So it's like they'll be having a project internship that they'll be working on real time. So like it's not like a we are creating the brand for that internship, but we are linking different branded companies to provide internship for them. So it's like a half based internship like a problem or something. So on the like a future impact of this business idea is that initially, if people are unaware of this particular idea, like less number of people would be able to like actually come in and like collectively help us. But once this idea reaches like all companies, all industrial companies will be able to have a massive impact. Thank you.